Welcome. REALME is a REALME C21, and today I will show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this phone. And before we get started, we will need this SIM eject tool. They come provided with a device in a box, so you can get it from there, or you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends, and it will work just as well. So anyway, once you have one of those, you want to pop out the tray, which looks to be located on the upper left side of the device. You can see once you push it in, the pin, that again, whoops. So once you get the pin in there and push it in, the tray will pop out. And once you take out the tray, you'll have space for 2 different SIM cards and 1 SD card. Now I'm going to occupy one of each. There we go. And from here, insert it back into the device. Like so. And there is the pin for the SIM card, so I'm going to confirm that. So obviously the SIM card is working, and SD card should be working as well. Let me just quickly find where I can show you. Okay, so there it is, and SD card is working as well. And that is how you insert your SIM and SD card into this phone. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.